Alright, I am outside the parking deck here in Reading, Pennsylvania. This is called the Lincoln Plaza Garage, but I'm not sure. Well, anyways, right there, we have a glass elevator to ride, and guess what? It's a Dover. A Dover Impulse. Let's go to 6. And we got the window going upstairs. Not the most exciting view, but anyways, here we're at 6. Back down the ground. Pretty basic elevator for a parking garage. It's actually one of the cleaner parking garages here in the city. Your floor care capacity is 3,500 pounds. Certificate right there. Not sure when this was installed because it's kind of cut out on the certificate. These are your impulse buttons. It's got no phone. Your ground. Back up to 6, and this time we'll watch the numbers. And here at 6. Let's use your view out here. It's hot up here. I'm not sure what that's for. We'll take a view out this window, then back down the elevator. Not much to see here in downtown Reading. So we can step out here. That's that paint can. Alright. We'll go out here and get a better view of Reading, Pennsylvania. One of the worst cities to be in, to be honest. We'll see what's over here. I believe this is the only elevator in this garage, which is like right back there where we just came from. I don't see another elevator that serves this parking deck. Here's a view towards, I'm not sure which direction this is. And over here you can see the old Lincoln Hotel, I believe this was called originally, now it's an apartment building. Not sure that building is there, and there's another apartment building right there, next to it. Alright, I guess we'll go back down the elevator now. Can walk to the door, and where it is, and now we'll ride the elevator back down. And the elevator left, so we gotta wait for it. I can barely see the lantern because the sun's in on my face. I think it registered my call. We'll see in a second. Up, I hear it. Looks like somebody's using it right now. Might be a little bit. button's kind of crusty. And here it is. Alright, and on the ground floor, look out the window going down. And here we're back at the street level over the ground floor. Alright, that was a nice Dover elevator. Let's ring the bell real quick. Has an external lantern. And now we'll watch it close. And that'll be it. Actually, before we end, let's set this elevator up and watch it go up. There it goes, and watch it go up. And there it goes. Let's see, look at here. Here's a piston. And it appears to be a in-ground hydraulic, so all I can say is that was the elevator here at the Lincoln Plaza Garage in Reading, and I guess that'll be it.